a new 44 FL that belongs to the Parkers. We are going to do some video with them when they come back. They're going to be back in a week or two with their new truck. So we're going to get you some footage of it all hooked up, how it matches and looks together. But we wanted to walk through it a little bit before it went away, before they left, just to show you some of the special features that they put into their coach. And one of the first ones was they did the new composite sinks. It's a new option, and you can do it in a double bowl sink, or you can do it in the single sink, and you can have, there's about 4 colors you can do it in. So she did it in the light gray to go with her countertop and her walls in the coach. So this is a really new, very nice feature. She also did the desk feature, which gave her a drawer that she actually is deep enough that she can put stuff into and keep a laptop in there if she wanted to, place to set, but still has your countertop. So you still have the room for crock pots, for Instapots, for printers, anything you want to put up there. You still have all your counter space. It just drops down a level. Of course, the coffee nook back here, she's got that all set up already. They've been here just a few days, taking delivery. This is also the new FL that has the flush floor kitchen slide. So make note that we don't have any hard toe kick right here, which enables us to use the desk more efficiently, to walk up to the stove. They also did a custom cooktop because she wanted to keep more storage underneath. She was good with using the microwave, convection microwave, as her oven. So it kept her a lot of storage as well. And that's a piece that we ordered for her. So it's a nice, but it's a 30-inch, so it takes quite a bit. But on this particular floor plan, that's okay because of all the immense countertop that you have and all the windows. And I make note again of how many windows are in the kitchen side of this slide and how much light comes in this coach. That's just a big deal to me because there aren't very many that put that many windows on this side. There's a lot of counter space here. One of the new things that they've also done, and she's got everything set up, but they actually have now made storage underneath your utensil compartment to put your tops in for your sink. So this makes them really usable, easy to get to, and easy to put away. And of course she has the dishwasher, the buffet with the outside entertainment center. And we're going to walk back here. She has the washer and dryer set up with the folding door so that we don't have 2 doors just sitting out. Easy to get into, easy to use. In the hallway area, this is the half bath area. We revised that from the very first one that came out. Gave us a little bit larger sink area. And then back in here in the bedroom. Bedroom is pretty standard as it was, except for one feature. We added another window here. So now you have a little more light. You of course have your nightshade that can block it out, but it gives you a really nice amount of light that comes into this room as well during the day. You have a lot of storage in here, and I won't open it all up because I think she's got it all full with her clothes and stuff, but you can kind of configure this the way you would want it as well. So you can have clothes rods here, you could have shelving in that one, you can have shelving in this one, you can put clothes rods in all of them. We probably can make this down here if you wanted a cabinet, but most of these are shelves or drawers that are very deep. So you can kind of configure this to make it work for you and the type of clothing that you take with you. And then this is the full bath, and they actually had a shower, a custom shower that was ordered, special ordered, in the granite style. So they wanted some color back there, which turned out beautifully with their countertops. They did take out the skylight here, so you're not getting quite as much light there. He just didn't want it there, so we took the skylight out over the shower. Wow. And so you have your towel rings, you have your corner compartments to store, and you could actually roll some towels and things and put in there for extra storage. You have drawers underneath, so you have a lot of storage in the bathroom. All soft touch walls. And of course this has the new ASA global system on it with the touch panels for lighting. So you see how they light up. So it tells you what this control panel will run. And there are several control panels throughout the unit, with the master being up by the living room. They also have the new plank flooring on, which I think you've probably seen before, but it is really a stunning look. And we'll just go up and take a quick look at her living room. We just wanted you to see the inside of their coach. And we will meet with them when they come back, because this is their second purchase with Luxe. They had a 39 FB that they were going to trade in. He sold that before they came in, and this was their second Luxe Elite that they purchased. So we're anxious to talk to them when they come back. So you'll see that video later on. But let's look at the living room. She has the central vac in the step. And we went back to the wooden top above the refrigerator, which gives you the railing, and it makes it easier for people to be able to set decorations up there. It's going to protect them from falling forward. It makes it more decorative, keeps it a little bit lighter. They also did custom furniture. So this is actually one of the Lambright theater seats that we do. So this one can actually turn into a small, like, love seat if you want it to. It's got storage underneath here, and you can turn it into a theater seat. And what we did for her that we can do for everybody is, if you want to do something with Lambright, we can do that, and we order the matching fabric for the sofas that you'll have built for the sides. You see the size of the television. I believe that's close to 70. So we just wanted to give you an opportunity to look at the most recent 44 FL that's come off the line, and get you to look forward to meeting the Parkers when we come back.